Hello everybody, my name is Alex with Sigala Designs. Thanks for tuning back for another video. As you guys can see, we are at the San Diego airport, and well, let's just say this upcoming week we have a very busy schedule. We're gonna be traveling to yet another state to do quite a few installs. So we're traveling to Florida because we're gonna actually be doing 3 aero kit installs and 1 vertical door. So honestly, it's gonna be pretty busy. You know, we're gonna be constantly moving. We have a few things already planned for the trip for you guys, but other than that, we're gonna go ahead and take you guys along the journey with us as always. And I guess now all that's left to do, we already got everything checked up. We already got our tools checked. So those will be coming with us once we actually get to, I believe from here, we're going to Vegas, and then from Vegas to New Orleans. And then from New Orleans, we're gonna be driving to the first customer's house. We just got updated that our flight did get delayed, so we still have about an hour till it gets here. So once we board the plane, then we'll go ahead and do another update for you guys. So we made it, guys. We are currently in New Orleans, and then from here we are actually going to be driving from New Orleans right here, you know, like the rental car area of the airport, and then going all the way to Destin, Florida. I want to say it's about a 4-hour drive, give or take. We'll check exactly once we actually get inside the car. I don't even know what car we got. We're going to be driving to get closer to the first customer's house, which we're doing the aero kit at. And well, here we have the rental. I don't even know what type of car this is, but it's a Dodge something. All right, that's all I know. You know, Dodge Journey.
Dodge Journey.
Okay. Okay. Good morning, everyone. So it is the day of the install where we're installing both a full aero kit and a Z06 that is only took the option for the high wing. So I'm here with my brother. Right now we're both in the car heading to the customers. I guess he has like a little warehouse where both Z06s will be there. So hopefully once we're finished up, we can get a picture of them side by side. That would be pretty dope. But we're about like 4 minutes away now. After this install, then we will be heading straight to, I don't know if it's, I think Miami, if I'm correct. If Orlando?
It might be Orlando.
Orlando, I don't know. Okay, wherever we're going, we'll go ahead and put it up on the screen right now. And then after the install, of course, we'll update you to know exactly what part of Florida we're gonna be going to. Next install will actually be tomorrow, and that will be a full aero kit as well, along with an install for vertical doors.
5 minutes later.
So guys, there is a Z06 up ahead. Now it does look like a white one, which is funny because we are working on an anniversary white Z06, but I swear that's the one that we're gonna be working on. Little do they know that we're right behind them, because we're heading to like a warehouse where it's gonna be worked on. So who knows? I think it'd be pretty funny if that is the one we will be actually putting the aero kit on. Guys, I think it is the one Z06 that we're gonna be working on, because, well, I guess now just follow him. I'm almost positive that it's this one right here.
How many white anniversary white 06
are there really over here?
And he's turning exactly where we're going. So that's it.
That's it. That's the one that we will be working on. Here it is, guys. We just showed up, and look at that. Both Z06s are here ready for us. Now, that one, I was just informed, has the carbon fiber wheels. So we're gonna go ahead and check out that right now. So here we have it, both Z06s ready up front. Now this one is the anniversary white, and then this one is the ceramic matrix gray. Now if you guys can see, we did say that this one was only getting the high wing, and because look, it already has all the carbon accents around it. So it has the carbon fiber wheels, the rockers, and up here in front, it actually has the Z06 front splitter, all in carbon. So I think the wing will be the finishing touch, because right now, well, it does have the low wing, and you guys know that we do have that whole cover piece. And if you guys are wondering how we're gonna replicate the stripes, you guys will see exactly what technique we use to get that on the actual template itself. So I know you guys have been waiting for an update from us, and well, technically for you guys, it was only like a few seconds, but to us, I want to say about an hour and a half has passed. And well guys, we have the front splitter with the dive planes completely installed. It came out perfect, and honestly on the anniversary white, it looks absolutely beautiful. So Adrian went ahead, already got the rockers installed, you know, everything from the front, from the doors front is done. Now all that's left to do is work on that rear wing. Man, that's a tongue twister. So let's go ahead, flip the car around, back it up, and then we'll go ahead, lift it up, and do our thing to get the bracket and wing installed.
Later that same evening.
All right guys, and the anniversary white C8 is complete. I don't even know if it deserves to be called just the C8, but the Z06 is officially complete with the full aero package. So this one will be leaving right now. You can see the owner actually pulled up in a Urus. Then the matrix gray one is getting the wing done inside, and that one we will check up on you once it is finished. But here is how the final product looks. You guys know we were just outside talking about how the white Z06 is finished, and well, I know right now it may not look like much, but if you pay close attention, you'll see those two little studs sticking out, and that is because the whole bracket mechanism and the template is already on. Now you guys might notice one thing, and that is the stripes. Yes, we did replicate these stripes on the template itself. GM actually sells these stickers, so if you were to get a high wing from us for your Z06 and your car has stripes, it is no issue. Here you guys can see exactly how well it matches up along with the template cover itself. It honestly looks almost, I don't want to say seamless, but it looks identical to the color. Especially you guys can see on camera how it hides itself. Now all that's left to do is just place the carbon wing on the car, bolt it up to the brackets, and this install will be finished. So we are officially finished up with this one. Now this one did move a little quicker, only because it was only the wing getting installed, since it already has all the other carbon accents around it. So here it is. Now when the wing is installed like this, and then you see the whole cover piece, it almost like blends right in. You can't even tell it's there. And with the stripes to go with it, it almost looks like this is how it came from the dealer. They match up perfectly, and I mean, everything was perfectly aligned. So we're just waiting for the customer to get here, and we will let you guys know exactly what he thinks. And with honestly, the wing was the finishing touch to this build. Now I know the front doesn't have the dive planes. Now it does look a little plain, not gonna lie. With the dive planes, it does add that little bit of extra aggressiveness to the look of the Z06, but with that wing, just look at how perfectly the sun is hitting it right now. Now correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think there's more of a boss way to show up to pick up your Z06 that just got finished than in a second Z06. So the white and the matrix gray one belongs to the same owner, and well, they pull up in a brand new Urus. You guys saw when the owner picked up the first one, you guys kind of saw it, but here more into detail, you guys can see it is decked out with a bunch of like carbon around like the wheel well, it has like a little spoiler in the back. The rear glass actually has a little spoiler on the top. Even like right here where it says Lamborghini, this is all carbon. So now that we have it out in the sun, we're gonna go ahead and show you guys the carbon wheels, because just look at how insane they look when the sun actually hits it right. One thing I didn't know about the carbon wheels is it's really only the face. So the barrel inside, you guys can see, is not carbon, which I thought when Chevy came out with these, I thought they were gonna have the whole thing carbon, but I guess not. Well, here you guys have the rear spoiler installed and complete. Honestly, it just looks absolutely perfect. I don't think I can get over how it looks like in the sun when it hits it just right. And especially with that template cover matching with the carbon flash stripes, this car is officially done. So that makes 2 Z06s done and down for today. So guys, now all that's left to do is to go ahead and bring over the owner of both Z06s. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yeah, so owner of both Z06s, what do you think of both cars?
Think of both. I like them both.
Yeah, so I know on the white one you got the carbon flash, and on this one you got the carbon fiber wing to kind of go with all the other accents. Let us know, like, what do you think? Like, how do you think the... Let's start with the white one. How did the white one turn out?
Well, the white one's the 70th anniversary.
Right.
And that car didn't spec out. So I bought it the way
Gotcha.
it was. So this car's got more carbon fiber. You know, the color is matrix gray.
Yep.
But the white one, I kind of had to take what was on it.
Gotcha. Okay.
And you guys matched all that.
Yeah.
Where you don't want a carbon wing where there's not a lot of carbon on
Right.
it compared to this car.
Right.
So, you know, that car looks way better now.
Yeah.
And,
Oh yeah.
You know, the high
Yeah.
wings made a big difference.
Yeah, you guys saw both cars, you guys saw the process that we were going through for both installs. And well, now we're gonna go ahead and get out of here, go ahead and enjoy it.
All right.
And
These guys did a great job. So
Thank you,
I highly
thank
recommend
you.
these guys.
That's what we love to hear. So
Right.
definitely send us pictures. You guys know we always love to share your guys' photos. Any posts you guys make sure to tag us. Well, we hope you enjoy, and hey, thank you again
All
for
right.
the opportunity.
All right, thank you.